friends, welcome to Tech Nuggets. Today we will discuss about exception handling in Python. So let's get started. When any error occurs, Python normally stop and generate an error message. In Python we have try, except, else and finally block to handle the exception. Try block is used to put the code that might cause exception. Once the error occurs, it requires to handle that error. So except block is used to handle the error. Else block contains the code to execute if no error occurs. Finally block contains the code which must execute even if error has occurred. For example, file closing. Let's see an example of try and except block. Here we are dividing 10 by 0. Any number if we divide by 0 will give an error. So we have written that code in try block. And to handle this exception, we have except block, where we are printing the reason for error. Now we will see how to handle multiple exceptions. To handle multiple exceptions, we have to write multiple except block. Here in this example, we have written multiple except block to handle multiple exceptions. Whichever except block satisfies, it will print the exception for that except block. The else block is executed if the try block does not raise an exception. Here in this example, we are dividing 10 by 2. Since it does not give any error, so it executes else block code and print the result. Finally block is executed regardless if the exception occurs or not. Here, in this example, we are dividing 10 by 0. Gives error, so except block is executed. And after that, we have finally block, which also got executed and print the statement inside it. We can also raise exceptions using raise keyword. For example, here in function divide, we are raising the exception since we are trying to divide by 0. Hope you understood exception handling in Python. If you find this video helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe to Tech Nuggets for more insightful content. See you in the next video.